Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri's channel. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Get ready for the legal dictation. People repose immense faith in the judiciary and judicial system, and the first person who deals with them is a lawyer. Litigants repose faith in a lawyer and share with them privileged information. They put their signatures wherever asked by a lawyer. An advocate is supposed to protect their rights and to ensure that untainted justice delivered to his cause. The high values of the noble profession have to be protected by all concerned at all costs and in all the circumstances cannot be forgotten even by the youngsters in the fight of survival in formative years. The nobility of legal profession requires an advocate to remember that he is not over-attached to any case, as advocate does not win or lose a case. Real recipient of justice is behind the curtain, who is at the receiving end. As a matter of fact, we do not give to a litigant anything except recognition his rights. A litigant has a right to be impartially advised by a lawyer. Advocates are not supposed to be money guzzlers or ambulance chasers. A lawyer should not expect any favor from the judge and should not involve by any means in influencing the fair decision-making process. It is his duty to master the facts and the law and submit the same precisely in the court. His duty is not to waste the court's time. It is said by Alexander that the weapon of the advocate is the sword of a soldier, not the dagger of the assassin. It is the ethical duty of lawyers not to expect any favor from a judge. He must rely on the precedents, read them carefully, and avoid corruption and collusion of any kind, not to make false pleadings and avoid twisting of facts. In a profession, everything cannot be said to be fair, even in the struggle for survival. The ethical standard is uncompromisable. Honesty, dedication, and hard work is the only source towards perfection. An advocate conduct is supposed to be exemplary. In case an advocate causes disrepute of the judges or his colleagues or involves himself in misconduct, that is the most sinister and damaging act which can be done to the entire legal system. Such a person is definitely dead wood and deserves to be chopped off. The Bar Council has the power to discipline lawyers and maintain nobility of profession, and that power imposes great responsibility. The court has the power of contempt, and that lethal power too accompanies with greater responsibilities. Contempt is a weapon like Brahmastra to be used sparingly to remain effective. At the same time, a judge has to guard the dignity of the court and take action in contempt and, in case of necessity, to impose appropriate exemplary punishment too. A lawyer is supposed to be governed by professional ethics, professional etiquette, and professional ethos, which are a habitual mode of conduct. He has to perform himself with allegiance, dignity, and decency. He has to bear himself at all times and observe himself in a manner befitting as an officer of the court. He is a privileged member of the community and a gentleman. He has to mainsail with honesty and sail with the oar of hard work. Then his boat is bound to reach to the bank. He has to be honest, courageous, eloquent, industrious, witty, and judgmental.